My name is Anna, and my life was far from the fairy tale I once dreamed of. Pregnant and exhausted, I spent my days in our messy, tiny apartment catering to my selfish husband, Greg. No matter how hard I tried, it was never enough. One night, I gently placed a plate of food before him, hoping he'd finally appreciate my effort. Instead, he threw it to the floor, shattering my heart along with the dish. His cruelty didn't stop there. Day by day, Greg's violent temper worsened, fueled by endless drinking. I began noticing bruises on my body, painful reminders of my suffering. One rainy evening, after spending my last coins on bread for him, Greg erupted in fury, throwing my belongings and me onto the cold street. Alone and terrified, I wandered through the chilly drizzle, clutching my unborn child and dragging a small suitcase. Exhausted and hopeless, I collapsed on a park bench, feeling invisible to the world passing by. Suddenly, intense pain overwhelmed me, and I fell to the ground, my vision blurring until darkness consumed me. Years passed, and my painful past faded into a distant memory. Meanwhile, Greg's life spiraled downward into despair and regret. Reduced to a homeless, desperate man rummaging through trash bins, he was shunned by everyone. One day, fate brought him face to face with the life he'd thrown away. Peering through the window of a cozy bakery, he saw Mark and me smiling lovingly at each other, our beautiful daughter giggling between us. Greg stood frozen, finally realizing the priceless happiness he had discarded. With trembling hands, he dropped a stale piece of bread, collapsing onto the pavement in tears. As the camera pulled away, Greg remained trapped in his self-made darkness, a stark contrast to the joyful life I now cherished.